how to add another account on Snapchat. So if you want to basically add another account on Snapchat, it's quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Snapchat application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? So from here what you have to do is tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left to come to your Bitmoji page. Then you can tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on that particular option, if you look here, you can see we don't have any option that says switch account or add account. So what we need to over here do is scroll down to the bottom, go to the logout option. Now don't worry, next time if you want to switch account, you don't have to re-enter your password because the password will be saved, and here you'll find the option called switch accounts. So you can tap on switch account now and just enter the new Snapchat ID that you want to log in with. Then you can tap on the login option, and once you've done that, you'll definitely be able to go ahead and then log in or add another account to your Snapchat app. This way you'll be able to add another account on Snapchat app. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.